So I have a lamp here that is adjustable, and you know what? I got my little helper here, Maximo. He's going to help me put the lamp together. So let's go ahead and open it up. I did just get this in the mail. I did open it up and kind of look over it, but I want to show y'all and do a quick unboxing on it. So right away when you open it up, you see very nicely packaged right here. And I think that is the remote, because it is a remote operated lamp. And it looks like I got to put it, wow, that's a big heavy base. That thing feels sturdy. That's a solid base. You get the adjustable LED. This is a smart LED light. And this, I do have to put the extension part together. So I'm just going to get it all out of the box here. This is the cage part. Oh, this is the lamp shade itself. So you must have to slide this. Oh, I see how it works. Yeah, so let me go ahead and lay it all out here and go over the instructions and put it all together, and then let's see what it looks like. And just to go over some of the assembly with y'all, you get these poles right here. You screw one into the base, and then you screw the other one into that one, and that one goes into that one. The hardest part was this lamp shade. It had to go around, and if you can see down in here, there's a cage where it actually clipped onto, and then it velcroed to the side. But this thing looks very good. You can see I have the remote here, and we can turn it off. I can turn it on with the remote. I can change the temperature settings on the light. You can see that. See how I can change the temperature settings? Looks like a 30-minute and a 60-minute timer for it to go off. And then there's 1, 2, and then the 3. So there's 3 different settings right there on timers. And then if you want to do a night mode, just hit the little like half moon, and it puts it in like a very low level night mode. Looks really good, which is how I'll probably run it mostly at night. But there it is. Let's go ahead and turn it back up. You can see I can go all the way back up with it. There's also a little button right here for your foot. That's just kind of like an instant on button right there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the remote control indoor lamp. See you guys in the next video. Woo!